Welcome to our discussion on how to earn money online without special experience. With the increasing number of online opportunities, it's never been easier to turn your skills and passions into income. Let's dive into some proven methods. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or programming, there are countless opportunities to find clients who need your services. 2. Blogging. Start a blog in a niche you're passionate about and monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. With the right strategy, you can build a loyal audience and monetize consistently. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. 4. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys from companies like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks and earn money in return for your opinions. 5. Stock trading or investing. Invest in stocks, ETFs, or other investment vehicles and watch your investments grow as you follow market trends and make smart decisions. 6. E-commerce. Sell products on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Dropshipping is another popular e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory. 7. Online courses or tutoring. Offer your expertise in a subject and create online courses or tutor others in your area of expertise. 8. Podcasting. Start a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, donations, or selling your own products. Remember, the key to earning money online is to find opportunities that align with your skills and interests. With persistence and dedication, you can build a successful online income stream.